But that's a genetic alteration from the previous generation.
But there never was a moment when a bird that was not a chicken gave rise to a chicken. It never was.
Of course. So this is a very compressed,
yes.
It's a shorthand
Yes.
for what you just said with the
Yes.
book of your ancestors,
Yes.
going back to the fish.
Here, we're talking about how change in nature doesn't happen with a drum roll. It accumulates in small steps across many generations. Speciation isn't a single dramatic birth. It emerges as populations diverge, often gradually, yet sometimes in sudden leaps. If you could stand at each rung in that ladder, neighbors could still interbreed, only the distant rungs would be out of reach. We can watch versions of this today in ring species like the greenish warbler circling the Himalayas. Adjacent populations mate just fine, yet the two ends meet again as effectively separate. So, where would you draw the line? Biologists use the species concept as a tool, not a decree. It works well in many cases, but edge conditions abound. Hybrid zones, fossils with sparse data, microbes swapping genes sideways. Contrast that with physics, where some thresholds are crisp. A body above roughly 75 Jupiter masses ignites sustained hydrogen fusion and earns the title star. Water at sea level boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Biology is messier because it lives at the level of populations and time, not isolated snapshots. And yes, the egg predates the chicken by